Good afternoon for outside the country people them. Waiting a pass for place where they call am say Campaign Street, Street 2, inside Boya this morning time. We go try for enter for inside that chapter for talk inside to reset for this afternoon. We get palava for accident, palava for die, and even palava for campaign. Newspaper then says they get their own story for talk this afternoon for this side, so for Equinox Story House. Big part talk for this afternoon. It talk for we say waiting. Say if butterfly, it talk say if it fly like a bird. Now only time where they put competition for fly. Now that time butterfly it is sabi say bird a passy. I say if butterfly it talk say in a bird, they did the same. Now only time where they put competition say make them to the fly. Now that time butterfly it is sabi say bird a fly passy. Now Oga Ekema Emmanuel Likine for that side, so for Yawende. Now he send we big part talk for this afternoon. At the turn back some more time. Good afternoon, country people them. With the glad plenty say we don't meet up on again for this side for Equinox Story House. We then for before Tori, now so too with the Fala Tori, as well the pass. First story for this afternoon we go enter for Campaign Street, Street 2. Now for inside Boya this morning time, Sabi say plenty people them, been the people they no be open their place this time. But population for Campaign Street, Street 2 they come out for cry die. When a two boy them way dey, so they meet up and for road where it dey like say na waiting bullets where it pass for their skin. People them for Campaign Street they ask na question waiting where it pass for that side, so for Campaign Street this afternoon or morning time. According to some people they try for talk say it dey so na a uniform people then say they pass put bullet for that people their skin. Other one then say they never fit for confirm the real story way it happen for that side, so for Campaign Street, Street 2. Plenty people them as soon as they see them they come out for cry this crime where it pass for Campaign Street. They the ask and say near them, they didn't for look at them, but so them they the make people them for fear. So this palaver for Campaign Street 2 for that side, so for Boyam this morning time it don't cause plenty people them for the ask question for inside their mind whether true they so they safe or they know they safe. Sabi say chapter for vote a day for one side, meet up thy body for inside morning time where place the shine. Another thing where people then say for inside Campaign Street they never so fit for understand where to way pass. So till now as so the talk we never fit for confirm who should the two boy picking the way they be she done for outside and waiting it really pass for that side. We go so they make our investigate for inside this palaver, so for Campaign Street 2. Now for Boya side this morning time where two boy them bullets he enter for their skin where they be she done for corner road. We go turn back for that chapter another time. We take una now as so we start for inside Sawes. We go remain for Sawes. We talk palava for accident wey happen. Taxi wey wanna this and so con people them. Taxi says he make na own small accident he fall bush. Tori wey enter for we ear for this accident. He try for tell we say waiting. Say the taxi man he be come up for my foresight. He be one enter for Limbe town. As way he reach for that place for welcome for Limbe. Now for day where the taxi be there for plenty speed. He meet up another motor wey be the camp for it before. One time, taxi man and 4 passenger people there they be there inside the motor. Now falling bush this, taxi man he does that thing, he fall in for inside bush. Their own 4 bush, now taxi says he hear bat. I say waiting. Taxi says he hear bats for inside this palaver, so for that side, so for Limbe. Now the taxi is skin that as soon as they see and so. Taxi says chakara better and na so 2 people they come. Sabi say we continue now. All man na Tori man he be the take his own small image so that the fit show am for population for our side. But na the taxi face that we fit talk say the people there they be there for inside the taxi. According to Tori wey enter for we EM, na only 1 person he be get wound. The other people them they come out fine. Even driver too he come out fine. Make we hear person wey he get taxi, he talk for we microphone for that side.
Calm down. So they want overtake some camion with the car up with some Sunday motor. The camion man don't dodge it. He jammed the back tire, he bust up. Then after he passed again, jammed the Sunday motor now to again pass to the side. So woman begin room for the foot. They ever come out safely, don't get no problem. All the 4 passengers where they be there for motor. Now only one woman where we get small room. I be just want for move that engine so that it feel easy for move the motor. So because when you remove it now with the engine, it will overtake.
Whenever put a gearbox, we go inside.
So I move the engine. I say the motor now will be light and I wait the feel to drive.
Now, person that way, he be get that taxi for that side, so for Limbe way for a bush, for bush, as so if you talk the taxi for bush, no be now for palava waiting accident way be passed. We go so remain for chapter for motor the way they fall for roads. We enter now so for that side for Mabandam. Now motor this way, it be the Gimimbo for that side so for Mabandam. Now for inside Douala just now we don't enter for talk this motor where we hear say as way it be 1 ton for inside Mabandam. Now so to the motor it takes side, tumble side, for down. The motor as well here and as well na Sabina motorway. It be the share Gimimbo, it be the tonton for inside Mabanda side, for Gimimbo, for Badem, and the motor, it tumble side, for Sika ground where they put them for road. Sabi say na so chapter for Sika say waiting. Road, there were plenty for inside Mabanda. One way you see ground say for them. They say a man where he be there inside the motor, driver man, he no be even look for down before he be the tonton. One time, as way he climb on top one of the ground. Now so to the motor, he throw away. Motor boy, we hear say na he get wound. Driver, he come up for inside the motor better. No nothing, he no do the driver. But as so the talk, now so palava for we wawaro them. Particular one way he dey for inside Mabanda way, he don't wawa plenty. No ask me whether Mimbo he be throw away or people they be get plenty gando for shark they are sharp for that side. So but sabi say inside this palava na so for Sika palava for Wawa road. Na way he make this motor a tumble side. Make we hear one person too for that side for Mabanda for inside this arrangement. A talk for we Padiman for that side, Romanus Che.
But and about the ground where they try for roads. So that man for Brazil be get for camp so a turn up wait send me they push the ground put on one side for send me pass. If it be say we go driving school, like if you know how you forget for pass on the road. I don't come me to the ground, if you call the man will get ground say, when me I want pass, I know we get way for pass for on top the ground. I go pass now how? If the man will call you say no, it is so the ground the people push on one side, but the man force and say one pass or corner now, now the motor go fall.
Yes, na person that for inside Mabanda side, it be the talk for we own man for that side, Romanus Chem, where he send with the image for that side. Now also for another one way pass for Douala here, now for Newtown Areoport, na road that where it dey for Newtown Areoport, na di moto this one na the sanding Gongoro, where he says it be make a versus for that side, he make for Sika this accident too for roads for that side for Newtown Areoport. He make road sesep, he no be the pass for some half time for inside this palava so for accident. He be meet for me do waiting for say make this motor then sesep they come out, they try for move come out all the motor then for roads before last motor they start pass. But sabi say for Sika this accident for that side for Newtown Areoport. He make and say plenty people them they no be fit for tonton free. Now so to police self they come for can see as way they go struggle for see as way they motor them. They go come up for roads for say make other people then too they use roads. We go left chapter for accident. We enter now so for palava picking them first. Now for this side, we take una go for that side. So where they call say Chang. We take una for Chang for talk this palava young boy. We talk this palava. We enter for chapter for picking them. For talk this other one Nadine. We be doing this station so one more we continue for talk for them. Before we enter for the other chapter for picking we be die for Feng Goodrong for Omnisport. We go enter first for this other one for talk which we pass. For Pikiwe die for Feng Goodrong Omnisport. Sabi say this picking they call in a Brandon according to Toriwe enter for EM. Brandon be get 10 years, he come up for house, say he wan go read book with a friend. He no come back for house, only for early Sunday morning time. They meet up Brandon, he die body for inside water for some corner some place where he dey so they fix gutter for inside that place where they call am say Fen Goudron Omnisport for Pidgin, na place where they so quota, it don't end for inside Omnisport site. Now for the way they so they meet up the 10-year-old boy picking inside water where he already die. Now so to army rescue people them, they come help comot the die body, put am for inside taxi, take am one time, go now for Deido hospital according to tori wey enter for EM. So Brandon he die body just now, he dey for Deido co-house. Now for the way they carry Brandon he die body take and go, and they try for talk for we say he dey so he no mean na save the Brandon he drink water for place where they comot. We go small time enter for side where they be comot. Plenty even Ketu their source he don't try for talk for him, say he dey show like say Brandon the only killer na kill am before they throw it for inside the water where they can comot for them for Sunday morning time. So it be then a wonderful thing where people them for Fen Goudron Omnisport, all them be comot for outside, all them be comot for outside for cry this bikini die. Sabi say inside this palava now for this place as soon as the open water inside the water now way it dey so they become comot Brandon for inside that water. And plenty people they don't talk say they no fit for Brandon, for fit for remain inside that water where he no come out. So they try for talk say they only kill that boy, na kill him before they put him inside that water. Now for Fen Goudron Sport, that one a pass. So chapter for picking them, we go take on now, so go for Chang. We talk this palava young boy. We near them, they catch it for that side. So for Chang, where he did so he own work. Now for the thief, small picking them. Now the boy that way she done so for day. Where Ketu then says they pull him for his skin. Population says it become for that place. That picking where she done to white chair. Now the last picking that where he did so that young boy he just come up for thief him before he did so near them says they follow so they catch it. Sabi say this chapter for thief picking them for Chang side. Plenty mammy them they be don't declare their picking them where they did disappear. They need to see the picking them. They need to turn back for house. This last one as well it happen whether na how the thing a pass na population says a put hand for this young one at the see so now he don't the thief all the picking them whether he use and do na waiting person no sabi wait to use and do but thank God say they catch it the last time as well he thief that young boy as well we hear Ketu then say they don't talk say they go open investigate for sabi side where the other one the way he don't the thief am he don't go keep them. So na palava for wait and see. We our own ESSF is there for ground for sabi way to way a pass for that side for the picking way the thief am. Thank you plenty Ivan Amel for that side. So for Chang where you send with that image for that side. We go left all the quarter to read them now. We enter for inside politics. Sabi say na period this for politics and we must to so talk the politics. If we no talk that one, it means say Tori never finish. Make we enter for chapter for campaign now. Maurice Kamto inside Douala 4 for Saturday. Total confusion for inside Douala 4. Now so two people the way they say the day for back Maurice Kamto. All man he come out. Time way last he reach a pa Maurice Kamto says he be get for cam. He be then a peace plant. All kind of glad. Where Okada people they show all kind of style for talk come good for Maurice Kamto country people them. Even Esama says as one at the sea with a Cameroon flag. He be then a come and see. Maurice Kamto says he be wear na he own Cameroon jersey for talk say he be prepared for kick that penalty so he enter for pole. Now so to Paul Eric Kingerena talk man for Maurice Kamto inside this arraignment. He try for talk say they don't come. Maurice Kamto don't promise. Say no west wanna go see me for day. I go come for day can talk. And if una put me for chair, now so to plenty things they get for change. So now the small meeting that way be passed for that side for Bonaberry for Maurice Kamto, Cameroon Renaissance Movement. Population become after this meeting with people there for Bonaberry side. Maurice Kamto, he be cross go for that side for Saint Michel for so continue the same thing. Now for Saturday, we no be sabi whether near them says they be the support na Maurice Kamto. But only way they full up for day. Now come and see. Mami water be day. I say waiting. Mami water for near. E be day. Where it means say anything where be one star pass for day. People therefore only see na mami water the comot water for his skin. na scratching this on top people dem. So for corner side for Maurice Kamto, una see number for motor for near dem wey dey be line up. I say dey be dey plenty, no be na sef say na 1, no be na 2, no be na 3. Na so dey dey and na so dey near dem sef dey comot plenty. Only for Sika say wetin, dey say Maurice Kamto be the trumpet. Side wey dey make that meeting, e no be get for make am for day. So na for Sika why that way near dem, dey comot dem plenty. Only for see as wey the thing e go dey pass. And sabi say no be na only near dem, even police people themselves say dey be dey for say make Maurice Kamto e bring any confusion, they go just enter. See 1 2 3 4 police motor dem for all corner. Near dem say they be floor for all corner. Then other thing too wey be dey e be dey na this palava for waiting, palava for ambulance, so that any person wey e by mistake e sleep straight or e collapse one time, ambulance too go carry am comot. So all thing be dey near dem say police o all man e be dey for Saturday. Only for say Maurice Kamto dem dey talk say e trumpet e be the so make thing dem. Na ambulance that win one for local people dem see near their motor. Dey be dey plenty. Even na president sef no be so. Make we turn back for that side, we hear till a pass for where my voice no dey. That way pass for that side. So for Bonaberry side under Maurice Kamto, how e be passed to for SDF, OC Joshua Sesep e be there for outside for Saturday calling people them, and sabi say OC Joshua will be there for outside for Saturday. E be start for gather population for inside Douala here Sesep. Now for inside Douala where OC Joshua Sesep e be start for meet up with all the party people them. Now so they meet up 1111. After where they meet up for inside Douala one time, they enter na for road. As where they enter for road calling people them, or na for who side they be go, na for place where they call am say the Bombari. Na for the first place that where Oga LC Joshua stop. Well, na for inside Douala also they enter now so for road calling people them. Na so near them say they be so turn for road for see as where the team pass. First place where he be stop, na for place where they call am say the Bombari, where OC Joshua Sesep he meet up with the population. He first talk for inside the chapter say waiting, make they put hand, make they see as where they go put it for inside A to D when number 7 day for this number how many moon, number 8 moon or number 10 moon come. Now so too they come out for the Bombari, Okada people them, they be there for before. Waka sote enter na for Banga Sesep. Sabi say na for Banga Sesep where Oga OC Joshua he meet up again with the party people them. He talk for party people them till we go do if they put it for chair and other small thing them. Now so too he promise them as well he finish talk for that side for Banga. One time OC Joshua he come up for the he start going for West region. And sabi say for corner side for TOC and for Palava SDF, we take una go for West region side where we talk this Palava for some time. We told una say some big man for SDF na that close so way it here. No be na say na SSF it here close. They say na some other big man for another political party. CM Aru na Nakisote Tietie close so. As one at the CM, E2 Ibiden a big man for SDF for that side. So for West region, now he closed that way. They so different big man for inside different party in Nakisote. It's here he close. So for corner side for inside this Palava for SDF Jawaka for West region. Sabi say before it be why even meet up people them for inside that side where they call them say Bafusam. OC Joshua be get time for go she done for C. Waiting, he go put flower for NS Gwandi. burial place. Sabi say Ernest Gwandi say na one of the people them. If you don't read Cameroon history, it too it began hand for see as we independent for country to be go for before. So OG Joshua before he go meet up with Bafoussam people them, he carry flower, he put on two on top grave for Ernest Gwandi for that side, so for Bafoussam. So now just some of the corner side and that for SDF, OC Joshua Iwaka for inside West region. Sabi say now so as all the talk, OC Joshua, he don't already go for that side for up north. We hear say just now, he dey for place where they call and say Adamawa. We left SDF, we enter to for inside another side. We take on a talk palava of Popular Democratic Front, and so they call them Popular Democratic Front or for Democracy, Popular Front for Democracy, when Akeremuna, Popular Front for Democracy, when Akeremuna own party, Akeremuna says it become up for that side where they call them say Congress Hall, now for place for inside Yawende, where it make plenty people them, they can join. It be then at the time for Akeremuna says for talking mind, con the people them, waiting I mean by talking mind. Akeremuna, it be get for talk for population, waiting he go do if they vote for number 7 day for inside number 10 moon 2018. Akeremuna plenty population say they become out for see as way the thing happen. Sabi say inside and Dongamen you will get people them for UPC and other party there they be don't talk say they go support Akeremuna for join hand. Many them people them Jodone Yebga we been get Mama Sese Mama Abiba we be them and even other big people them for money them UPC where all them they don't join say they go join with Akeremuna. But Sabi say Akeremuna plan now for say waiting now for make new republic for inside country. Now they talk that they talk and even the brother says Ben Munam Ebidede for inside the Palava and other big people them where they concern. Sabi say Akeremuna he go meet up with the Tori people them tomorrow. Now for talk for Tori people them how he go the tonton for all the 10 regions them. So now so the thing be passed for PFD party where they call them say Popular Front for Democracy where na Akeremuna. Inside Douala here for Sunday too, it be then another come and see. Now for place where they call them say start Sikam where it is home, Cabral Libi says it be go for day. I say yes. Cabral Libi it make population a full up for start Sikam like say na come and see. But plenty people they ask na question. All the people then so they don't register their name for votes and all them they go vote na Cabral Libi. If na so, then na him say Cabral Libi, he go surely declare say okay, he don't surely already win. But population be come out, he no so mean say na so vote to he go pass. Cabral Libi, he talk for all the people them say he dey so better thing he dey come for them if they turn vote even for road sef. Cabral Libi he make am population. Na so too near them say they be turn for all sides. Roads he be block. For that side so where they call am say Nouvelle Route Cité or for Angel Raphael where e no be dey at all as wey Cabral Libi e be comot for talk with the people them for outside. Make we just turn back for that side so for start Sikam some of the small image dem wey we pick am for corner. Make una see. So now the thing that we pass for inside this side for Palava for this party, we go take una now. We enter to for CPDM. Sabi say big launch too. It be passed to for CPDM. Cameroon people. Una sabi Cameroon people's party SSF when the party SSF from Kunkumam for that side. So for Bamenda, I be promise I go turn back for them. We see Achidi Achu, Prime Minister Young Grand Atango SSF. They be then for inside Congress Hall, na for day for Bamenda, where it dey so they be start their own launch for this chapter for campaign for Nkunkuma. E be dey na big lot as well even Prime Minister say member say he too he comot for up north, he put his hand too for up. I say dancing. Pa Yang e dance so te say as we put hand no, na the correct Bamenda man be that. Sabi say he too he show say no way, even as we are there for Yawende for air conditioner. As so sabi as we are the non country dance. See as we Pa Yang in hand so dey na for up. Now for tell you say wetin, man anyhow we dey for outside no fit ever forget country fashion. So na for day way they do launch for inside this palava for waiting. Palava for campaign for CPDM for inside Northwest. Sabi say before they boy enter so for Bamenda way dey so plenty they don't talk say if they enter they go show them pepper. But now how they take enter no as ambassador, but sabi say last CPDM is start a campaign true for inside Bamenda big hall wey na their own horses help. E be then a chapter for dance and chapter for do other small thing them as we wanna the see am for inside image for that side. Sabi say last they talk say vote e go happen and na door to door kind way they go make am. They go meet up you, make you see how if you vote, meet up you talk for you, meet up you talk for you. So e be then a big lot for that side so for Bamenda hall, even as we some chair themselves they be dey empty. For Boya side, na the same thing e be pass. Nyati they enter for that side for Mountain Hotel. Na for day way dey so CPDM people themselves they launch campaign. For before, na the head boy for launch campaign, Peter Mafane Musonge, with other big CPDM people that we sote now, they be the shidona for Yawende. They enter for Boya. Mayor Ekema Party says a talk say come and see. So it means say they be so get mind for enter for inside Boya. After we all man, he don't run remainer for that side for Yawende. I say better dance ebidede. All kind people there they be concerned for inside this palava for campaign. Senator Mbela Muki Sesep and other big people then for inside Saways. They be there for launch for CPD and palava for campaign. Sabi say the one it be the happen at time where they so plenty people them. They don't talk say this one it no go surely pass. But last a pass for that side so for inside Mountain Hotel. Sabi say security sesep it be there in the proper. Any man where you see and so for day. Now 1:1 K2. 1:1 K2. 1 man is to 1 K2. 1 man is to 1 K2. So the launch in the pass, but now for inside house the launch it happen. We be get some small thing the way we don't pick am. We go so the pick am as we campaign the start. Make we try for CD1. Maurice Kamto, changement inside peace and for the future of our children. Changement inside peace and for the future of our children. All the T1 na they carry French, put them for Google Translate, put them back as we come out. Disgrace. That one a disgrace for the two country talk the way we get them. Better talk say you want see a way if you promote picking their future, make their picking their future go better tomorrow. Peace and picking their future. Man, I didn't continue now. Why I lost them? Make we enter for even CPDM. CPDM says people there they for communication side. Them too they get forget plenty complaint. Yes, CPDM they get forget complaint. Una see am la force de experience. They just put them for Google Translate, come out and move them again. The force of experience. Lie. You know if you ever be Nadine waiting. Make we enter for the other side where I don't put small, I don't correct small thing for day. It be get for being at the power of experience. It be get for be the power of experience. So all the strength, no be na force, no be na wet to wet. That one a disgrace for the two country talk them. Because the time it don't finish week on the people them, we no go surely enter for inside Tori Sepway newspaper then talk this afternoon on the people them. We go left that palaver for mistake. As I be say plenty people that they already see that mistake. They get for try for correct and we don't see another one we'll go bring on tomorrow. Now the same thing where they do. So on the people then we no go enter for newspaper this afternoon with time. It already finished. We want to say big thank you for all people that they don't join them for say meeting they happen fine. Bella Yondo, thank you plenty. Job Desiree SSF, thank you plenty. And even you Ivan Amel, thank you plenty. We get for this side Varios, Malice, and even Nadine Gua for where they don't join hand. For say make we do till we wanna see and so this afternoon. Any I want be make una enjoy fine. Na sote for some time. Una hold on tight.